Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this beautiful big snowflake bracelet, okay? If you continue doing more and more of these elements that I'm going to show you how to make, you could turn this into a necklace. So whatever you like. You could also make earrings out of it. I think they will also look good. So if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new free videos and my upcoming Christmas tutorials. If you want to support me and make me do more videos, you could also share and comment. You don't know how much you help me with this. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 6/0 beads in white color and 8/0 beads also in white color, and I'm using 3 colors of 11/0 seed beads, silver, blue and white. And here I'm using a clasp in silver color, and I'm using fireline that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I'm using flat nose pliers to attach my clasp. I will show you another way without using the pliers, so they are not obligatory. And I'm using also scissors, and now I will put 3 feet of thread on my size 10 beading needle, and this is 90 centimeters, and I will start. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do is to take 6 of these beautiful 6/0s. Okay, and I have my 6 here, and I'm going to slide them down, and here what I want to do is make a knot, and I will make a knot by making a loop and going once and then going second time through the loop I've made, and then I pull, and when I pull I have this. Okay, and I will go around one more time. Okay, now I will take a silver seed bead and I will go through my next 6/0. Then I will take one more silver, going through the next 6/0, and then I will repeat this 4 more times. Okay, and now I have this, and then I will go through this white 6/0, and I will take 3 blue seed beads. Okay, and as I'm exiting from this white bead, I'm going back in circle through this white one. Then I will go through my next silver and through my next white bead, and then I will take 3 more blue beads, and then I'm going back in circle through this one here, and I'm going through the following one, and I will repeat this 4 more times. Okay guys, and now I have this. Now what I want to do is go through these 2 blue beads just like that, okay, and through the following one, so through all of those 3 beads, and I want to take 1 8/0 in this white color, and then I'm going through these beads here. If it was too fast for you up to now, just pause this video or rewind it and you will be able to make it. Okay, and now I'm taking this white one as well. Okay, and I will repeat this until the end of this row. And if it's easier for you, you could flip your work this way. Because I'm right-handed, it's easier for me to work in this direction. So don't worry flipping your work the way you want to and the way it's easier for you. Okay guys, and now this is what I have. And I'm going here through this 8 row. And now what I want to take here are 3 silver seed beads. I'm taking them and I'm going back through this 8 row and through the following few beads. Okay, now this is what I have. And then I will take 3 more seed beads and I'm going back through these few beads. Then I will take 3 more and go through all of those beads here. And I will continue 3 more times. Okay guys, and this is my beautiful snowflake. And I will use it as a base for a bracelet, as a component in a bracelet or in a necklace, whatever you like. It's the same thing, just the necklace make it longer. And now here I will show you how to attach your clasp. Okay, and I'm exiting here, and now I need 1 silver seed bead, and I will take my clasp, and then I will take 1 more seed bead. Okay, and then I will go back in circle through this seed bead here, and I'm attaching it this way. And now I'm going to reinforce. Okay, now I reinforce this part and I'm going to make some knots here. Okay, and in order to make my knots, I will go between 2 beads and I will make a loop and go once, then go second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. And I might want to repeat this somewhere else. Okay, making a loop, going once, going second time, pulling, and then going through the following seed bead. And you could do more and more knots here. And when you feel ready, you could cut your thread. Okay, and I will also cut my tail thread. Okay, and now this is what I have. This is the beginning of my bracelet or my necklace, and I will make another component and I will show you how I'm connecting it to this one. Okay, and now I made another element and I'm going to connect this to this one. Okay, and I'm taking 1 seed bead and I'm going through this silver one here. Okay, just like that, and I'm taking 1 more, and what I want to do is go through this silver. Okay, just like that, okay, just like that, and then I'm pulling, and now this is what I have, and I'm going to reinforce this one several times. Okay, and when I reinforce it, it's time to make some knots here, like I showed you before. Okay, and here I'm making a loop, and I'm going once, and then I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and I will make this several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Then I will make another element and connect it to this one the same way, and I will make 6 elements in total. It depends on your wrist, you could make 7 or more, or you could make this a necklace if you want. So now I will continue adding elements, and when I'm ready I will show you how to finish your bracelet. Okay guys, and now I continued adding more and more elements the same way I showed you, and here I just connected my last 6th element. And now what I want to do is go here to this side, and I want to attach my jump ring. Okay, so I will go through all of those beads here in this direction. Okay, and I'm exiting out of here this side, and now I will attach my jump ring. You could attach it with your pliers, but now I will show you another way. So I'm taking 5 of these beautiful silver beads. Okay, I have my 5 here. I'm sliding them down, and I will also take my jump ring, and I'm going back in circle through the same bead I'm exiting out of. Okay, just like that. And now what I need to do is reinforce this part. Okay. Okay, I reinforced it, and here in my last step I need to make some knots. I'm going through some beads here. I'm making a loop, and I'm going once, and I'm going second time through this loop I made, and I'm pulling, and now this is what I have, and I will repeat this several more times. Then I will go through my next seed bead, and I will cut my thread, and my bracelet will be ready. So if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe, and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.